Hello, welcome to TechSharmet. In this session, we will cover further values for RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I am taking the program in edit mode, and here you can see that we have declared few variables. These variable you can declare by referring the IBM official website. So once variable declaration is done, then we are good to use the command RTVSYSVAL. So just write RTVSYSVAL and then press F4. After pressing F4, you can see this screen where you are supposed to pass two parameters. First is QSFWERRLOG, which is a system value which we want to retrieve from the system, and second one is the variable where we want to hold the output. Okay, now if you want to know more about this field, then you can press F1 here, and after pressing F1 it will open this help screen for you, where you can find all the information of the values that we can retrieve from the system. So in short, you can say that this window will provide you all the possible description of all the possible values that we can retrieve from the system. Okay, so once you got the information, then you can directly copy it to your program and then you can use it. So this is how we will know more about the sysval command values, and then we will fetch it into our program. So these are the values that we have already covered in our previous sessions. So now I will take you directly to the value which today we are going to discuss. So let me take you to directly that value. Yes, so we will discuss this one, which is QSFWERRLOG, software error log. Indicates whether system detected software problem are entered in error log. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately. So what are the possible outcome for it? First is star log, means that when a software error is detected by the system, the error is evaluated to determine if it should be logged unconditionally, or if the decision to the log error should be deferred to the policy based service monitor. Okay, second possible outcome is star no log. It means no logging will occur if a software error is detected. Now let's see the second value, which is QSHRMEMCTL, shared memory control. Specify whether or not users can shared memory or use mapped memory that has write capability. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately. Possible outcomes are 0, means that user cannot use shared memory or use mapped memory that has write capability. 1 means that users can share memory or mapped memory that has write capability. Now let's see the third value. Third value is QSPCENV, which means spatial environment. The system environment used as default for all users. Changes made to the system value take effect the next time a user signs on to the system. Possible outcomes are star none, means no special environment is entered when you sign on, and second possible outcome is star 36, which means the system 36 environment is entered when you sign on or log on. Okay, so now we got the information. Now we can directly use it here along with the variable where you want to hold the output, and then hit enter. Likewise, we are retrieving the other two values. Okay, so once these three lines got executed, we will be able to fetch the data in our respective variables. So now we are good to print the values. So for printing the value, you can use sndpgmmsg command, then press F4, and here you can pass your variable. Okay, so variable are of already in character type, so you can pass it directly. So similarly, I am printing the other two values. So let's try to compile it and see the output. So I'm compiling it. It is compiled successfully. Now we will call it. So first output is star no log, second is 1, and third is star none. Okay, so this is how we can utilize RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the system value. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharmet.